Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and back up and move FiveM profile setting to a new PC. Now, if you didn't know, everything that you go ahead and do inside FiveM is saved into a folder that you must go ahead and back up if you're planning to go ahead and change into a new computer. Now, to go ahead and save your profile setting, it's extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to simply open up the run application on your computer, and from here you then want to type app data. Now if this doesn't work, you can then go ahead and put %appdata% and then you want to click on OK. On this page, you then want to navigate through the roaming option, and basically inside this page you will be able to see a folder called Citizen FH or something like that. Unfortunately, that folder isn't available on my computer right here, but you just want to go ahead and look for that specific folder. Now that Citizen FX folder is the main profile setting of your FiveM account, so you want to go ahead and copy that specific folder, and you can just go ahead and back it up in your own drive, your online drive, or anything something like that. So that's how you go ahead and back up and move FiveM profile setting to a new computer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.